Okay, so here's where we're at now. I am having to replace these windows. That one and the one on the curbside leaks, and if you notice the tint that's in between the two panes is really flaked off and gotten distorted. Also, there's some like algae buildup and stuff where the window leaks. So I've been reading online, and to do that you have to actually crack that. That's the glass on this model, 77 Ambassador. So I have glass there, 2 panes of glass instead of plexiglass, or tempered glass I should say. So the shade wouldn't slide up either, so I'm having to take the, I'm not going all the way with it, but I'm taking the skin down from the roof in order to get to these shades. Trying to find out what's blocking them. I did work on this side here, and there we go. So I'm working on this one first. And as you can see, it looks pretty gross, and I'm going to have to pop that first window and put a new seal in it to fix that. And it looks like, you know, you might be able to do it without having to take it all apart, but my issue is this, the shade at first wouldn't go up and down. Now it's going up and down. I say that. There you go, it's going up and down now. So I had to take it off right here. Not take it off, but there was actually some stuff that blocked it where it wouldn't go up in that track on the left side. So I fixed that, and this was a booger to get off. I was trying to figure out how in the world this strip, how do you even get it off? So naturally the forum came to the rescue again, and this strip is held up like this. So it'll be like that, and there's rivets, if you can see the holes where I've cut them out, used the drill to get them out, but rivets hold this strip on. To get the skin out, you literally have to, it's tucked up under, look at this, it's tucked up under that track, so it's kind of like tucked in that side, and over on this side it's tucked in that track there as well. So to get this, if you can notice this part right here, notice the bolt, the curve, it kind of like curves down right here. The only way to get this out is to make it curve in the middle, and it kind of pulls, you know, both sides out this way, pulls that one out that way, and then it pops out. To put it in, I'm going to assume to reverse it, just kind of, 2 people would be nice, but it's just me. Bulge it and tuck it in there and do the same on that side. I'm sure it's not going to be easy. I was happy to see the insulation looks good on here. I don't know what in the world, it looks like where they replaced the air conditioner on this unit. I can see light coming in from where they have silicone. It would probably pay me to reinvestigate that, make sure they sealed it correctly with some stuff that'll last a while. But other than that, I didn't see any water damage or anything. It really looks good, this insulation. You know, I know some people, when they go this far, take it on out the rest of the way and put that silver flex stuff in it. It's an option, I guess. I did touch my ceiling before I took this down when the sun was hitting it, and it was hot. I don't know if that's, you know, we'll see. We'll see what I do. But anyways, I thought I would share that with you guys and let you know where I'm at. Take care.